What is up guys, Tanit this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your game files in Steam. So first off, you need to install the Steam application and after that log in or sign up with your account. And after that, this is the dashboard of the Steam application. From here, you need to hover to the library and then click on home. From here, you will see all the games that you have downloaded. So right click on a game that you want to get the files backed up of. After that, you will see the option of manage. Click on this manage option. And after that, a pop-up window will appear wherein you need to click on install files. From here, you will see the option of backup game files. This backup game files and then this will back up all your game files of that game and all the install files of that game. So this is how you can back up all the game files of Steam. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.